Roomba is the name of the robotic vacuum cleaner series launched by iRobot. iRobot has manufactured consumer robots since 1990 and is regarded as one of the best brands of robot vacuum. Indeed, these robots roaming all over your floor will save you time and effort of vacuum cleaning your whole house while you are out at work. Roomba S9 and iSpin are the two latest models of the Roomba robotic vacuum cleaner series. Advanced navigation system, long run time, cleaning efficiency, bin size, and noise. We will review all of these parameters and more for you to help you choose the right robot vacuum for your needs. Roomba has a wide range of robot vacuum cleaners, and all of them are perfectly suited for different kinds of households. Multiple choices and confusion go hand in hand, especially when both models have great reviews. So let us reduce the confusion a bit today, shall we? iRobot Roomba iSpin. This robot vacuum cleaner is part of the iSpin series of iRobot Roomba. It comes in a classic round design and a 3-stage cleaning system. Roomba iSpin is equipped with smart maps and imprints to identify each room structure and furniture arrangement so that it can decide its path of cleaning accordingly. Smart mapping technology will help your robot to learn the floor plan and memorize it for future use. Its suction power is 10 times more than the 600 series of robot vacuum cleaners by iRobot. It is great for pet owners and is suitable for every kind of floor in your household. It also offers an easy setup with a handy manual in the box. iRobot Roomba S9. iRobot Roomba S9 belongs to iRobot's new S9. iRobot steps up in technology and systems with every new series they come up with. This vacuum is perfect for you if you have pets and it's shedding season. The S9 series does not leave the corners and even vacuum under the cabins. These have a mapping system and are good at cleaning even with a lot of obstacles. You can manage and track them on your phone through an app. S9 series also has the function of voice assistance that will help you command your vacuum to clean around and under your furniture. Yes, you can control them with Google Homes and Alexa. If I were to choose, I would suggest investing in the iRobot Roomba S9. The only advantage iRobot Roomba iSpin has over S9 is the price, but it is still quite expensive itself. The S9 Roomba has 30% wider brushes, a special D shape which makes it easier to clean in certain areas, and 30 times higher suction power. Significant improvements that are nice to have. S9 gives 99% cleaning efficiency in practical experiments. S9 has proven to be better in performance in corners. The suction power is 30 times more in Roomba S9 as compared to iSpin, which means better performance. On the flip side, there is a huge difference in the prices of the two RoboVacs. The S9 is suited for larger homes, where there are more people living and if you have multiple pets who shed a lot. But for people who live in a smaller home and don't need as much suction power, the iSpin is just as good a deal while saving you a lot of money. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.